After I logged in to step number 1, which was going to a Weebly site, I'm going to follow and I click add a site. This is now step 2. Select the first theme, which was this one, Dust Business. I want to click choose. I don't really want this, but I have to choose it to select the template that I want. And then if you read step 3, oh, hold on, I forgot this step. For this subdomain here, you're going to type in your teacher's first and last name. So it's loading forever. It's taking a minute to load. But right here, let me pause real quick. Alright, right here I'm going to say I'm going to type the name of the website. It's going to be the first and last name. I'm going to say last name, Pat, whatever, .weebly, and I hit continue. The subdomain. Next step, I click theme. After theme, expand this window. Pause. Okay, make the screen a little wider. So I hit theme. After I hit theme, I hit change theme. Once I hit change theme, I'm going to hit all themes. Now when I hit all themes, I can scroll to the bottom. It says show old themes. When I scroll further, I'm looking for the theme. Here it says fresh minimal. I choose this theme. And now we're at my site. Alright, I'll pause here. So now we have our template set up. This is the first recording. Okay, first thing on this home page, I'm going to change the telephone number at the top of the text. So I type the number for the school, which is 4. So I add the school's phone number, 470, blah, blah, blah. Then I'm going to go to my site. So this right here, I'm going to just change the text to Brian Patterson site. Oh, here's the text. I'm trying to format the text. Hold on a second. Harrison. To change this font, because nobody likes this silly font, I'm going to have to go to the settings and change that. So I'll do that in a second. Hold on. Don't type in Brian Patterson site, and it's too far. And I don't like this cursive. What I have to do, this is the only tricky part. I'm going to have to go to the theme, and I'm going to change the fonts on the theme. And that site title, I'm going to go from the default to something better. So for now, actor was this Adler. And then the size, I'll just make it fit without going over. So I use Aller. You can use whatever you want for your site. That's Brian Patterson site, that's fine. Next, I'm going to build the pages. So I'm going to go to these pages, and I'm going to list the pages that I had at the top of the sheet. So the first page is the home page, that's fine. This menu page right here, I can change this to about. So instead of menu, I type the word about. Oops. I click at the top to make sure the changes take place. I want to go no header on all the pages. And then I go back to pages. So now I have home, about. I change this private dining page from private dining to courses. Click that. Go back. Instead of chefs, I have contact. So for this, I need to go. Actually, they already have a contact, so it won't let me type contact. I'll just delete the chef page. Delete. And then I have my contact page. On the contact page, I want to take off this short header. So I'll say no header. I'll just start like that. Then I'm going to add the next page. So my next page is a blog page. So I'm going to add a page. And I want to, instead of hitting standard page, I want to hit blog page. And this new page, name, save, will be blog. Then I'm going to add another page. And this page is going to be a standard page. And we're going to call it the calendar. And no header. Calendar, save. So now all our pages are set up. If I want to go back to my main site to make sure everything's looking right, so I'm going to hit this home just to compare it. And I'm thinking about changing the way the thing looks. So maybe instead of having the Spartan football team, I'll just have the North Spring Charter logo to make it simpler. So I'll go here, back to my Weebly, and I'm going to go back to the home page. So this home page, where it says click a headline, we're going to type welcome, and you'll type a little welcome blurb there. I say, welcome to my site, blah, 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 blah. Pause. You guys know how to find images on the internet, I suppose. But I'll cover it just in case. So right here, I'm going to go to Google Images. And under Google Images, I'm typing North Springs logo. Come on, baby. Alright, I'm typing North Springs logo. Images. I'll get the first one, the highest resolution. I'm going to right click it. Save image as. I already have this logo, but I'm going to just change this to North Springs logo. And save. Alright. Now it's in my desktop. I'm going back to edit the site. Where this picture is, I'm going to say edit image. I'm going to add image. I'm going to upload it from my computer. And I'm going to find the North Springs logo. So I think I put it on my desktop. North Springs logo. And I'm going to have to adjust it so it fits. And that is, let me scroll down. I think it's okay. Let's see. Alright. Image. I'll save for now. Save to this page only. Nope. It's a little short. So, I'll edit that image. I'll make it a little shorter. Throw in the box. We're good to go. Okay. Save. So I have the logo on the screen. And then I type the welcome, and under the welcome you just say whatever Bermudas. Welcome to my site or whatever. We can do that later. Welcome to Mr. Patterson's blah 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 blah. I'm not gonna waste time. Next. So my about page is done. Your home page is done. We're on to the about page. I'm gonna look at the template on the home page. Right here, by the way. The purpose of the site is to provide students and parents with the latest. I like this. You just cut and paste this right off my thing. You can come up with a better one, I'm sure. So do that. But I'll go home. Cut. I only have 3 minutes left before we run out of tape. But now I'm going to the about section. In the about section, I'm going to have the layout looks like this. I'll say general information. I have the picture of the teacher, name, teaching experience, so and so and so and so. So to do this, you're gonna go back to your site, and then you're going to build. So I start with the title. I put it up here. It's gonna say general information. Come on, ladies, now let's get information. Under general information, then I'm going to put the picture of the teacher, or I can put a text box here. I can put a regular text box here. And I want to put a image inside that text box. I want this. I'm gonna click this off. I want the text inside that image right next to it. So I want the text on top of that image. Alright. So now you can upload the image of your teacher, and then you're going to type here what we want. So we're going to type in the name, we'll type in the year's teaching, you'll type in, oops, sorry. I'm going to pause here, but you're going to just type down all the categories so we don't waste tape. This is all the information you're going to need from this page. I think the recording's about to stop.